The snake is one of the types of reptiles that consists of 3,400 species, and is distinguished by its irregular shape, its body and its elongated tail. And the snakes are classified with lizards in the order of squamates. Snakes are originally lizards that developed over time and underwent a structural contraction, and all snakes lack limbs external, but it cannot be said that all reptiles are snakes, as some lizards hide their front or back limbs, or they may be legless, and they lack mobile eyelids, which makes them staring continuously most of the time, in the outer ear openings. In the urinary bladder, the visceral organs extend inside their body, and snakes have an increasing number of vertebrae. Two new types of vertebrates are lost, namely the tracheal lung in the neck area, and the venom delivery system to immobilize prey. 1. Snakes are considered carnivores. They contribute in this way to preventing the spread of pests due to eating rodents. And many people believe that all snakes kill their prey by biting them and injecting poison, and this is not true. For example, the cobra and other similar poisonous species are considered the only snakes that use poison for hunting, as most snakes swallow their prey completely, and large snakes suffocate their prey until it dies, then swallow it completely. And snakes can eat other animals whose size is about 75 and 100% of their size. They may eat animals such as crocodiles and cows. Then the body of the snake by secreting enzymes to animalize the prey inside its body, and to convert it into usable energy. Snakes do not need to eat as much as other animals because their metabolism rate is very slow, so the king cobra can, for example. And the king cobra can live for months without food. 2. The habitat of snakes. Almost continents. But there are large numbers of them in the tropics due to the appropriate temperatures in the tropics, and snakes live in trees, burrows, on land, and in water, according to their type. Very few snakes their whole life in the water, which makes them water snakes. And other environments in which snakes may live include deserts, tropical forests, temperate forests, swamps, prairies, grasslands. Moccasin snakes dwelling in deserts, and they are poisonous like most desert snakes. And human progress leads to death, migration of snakes, or snakes that can be attracted to adapt to this progress. Snakes do not live in some cold countries. More than 3,000 species of snakes live in nearly every possible environment, including deserts, swamps, forests, grasslands and oceans. The largest variety of snakes is found in warmer climates, because all snakes are cold-blooded or ectothermic creatures, which means that they cannot regulate their own body temperature and therefore need an external source of heat to survive. In cooler regions, many snakes hibernate during the winter, or seek warm areas to hide in, such as inside a garage or bar. The only places in the world that do not contain snakes are Iceland, Ireland, Greenland, and New Zealand. There is no explanation as to why snakes never existed on these islands, but there are also laws in many of those countries now that prohibit the import of snakes because exotic snakes can cause widespread damage to local ecosystems. Snakes have lived for more than 60 million years. The largest snake fossil found to date has been called Titanoboa. This creature lived more than 60 million years ago, was 15 meters long and weighed 900 kilograms. It is believed that this ancient predator was sneaking near its prey, while half of its body is submerged in the water.